Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. On the pixel app, select the import button, go to the gallery, select a picture, adjust the picture, select another picture, adjust the picture, remove the background, select the razor color, enable button on, adjust the picture, select the text option, edit option by writing, select size option, adjust the size, change the color, select the color option, adjust the color, select the stroke button, enable button on, adjust the color, select the shadow option, enable button on, select the picture, select the texture option, go to the gallery, select another picture, adjust the picture. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.